In the world of nutrition, we often find ourselves inundated with information about superfoods, supplements, and the latest dietary trends. Amidst this cacophony, one aspect frequently overlooked is the role of crude drugs in nutrition. Crude drugs derived from natural sources have been utilized for centuries, yet their potential contributions to our nutritional landscape are often underestimated. Today, let's take a moment to reevaluate this crucial intersection of health nutrition and traditional medicine. Crude drugs are essentially unrefined plant or animal materials that contain active compounds. These can range from herbs and roots to certain animal products, and they have been the backbone of traditional medicine systems around the globe. Think of herbs like turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Each of these has been celebrated not only for its flavor, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Turmeric, for example, contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. When we incorporate such crude drugs into our diets, we are not merely seasoning our food, we are enhancing our health. However, the conversation around crude drugs often becomes polarized. On one hand, there are advocates who champion their use, emphasizing their natural origins and historical significance. On the other, skeptics warn against their unregulated use, pointing to potential side effects and the lack of rigorous scientific validation for many of these substances. This is where the need for a balanced perspective comes into play. It's essential to recognize that not all crude drugs are created equal. Some have been extensively studied and have a well-documented safety profile, while others may pose risks if used improperly. Take, for instance, the case of St. John's wort, a popular herbal remedy for depression. While it has shown efficacy in some studies, it can interact with various medications, leading to unintended consequences. This highlights the importance of understanding the context in which we use these substances. Knowledge is power, and being informed about the potential benefits and risks is crucial. Moreover, integrating crude drugs into our nutrition doesn't mean we abandon conventional medicine or modern dietary practices. Instead, it invites us to explore a more holistic approach to health. For example, consider the Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes whole foods, healthy fats, and herbs. This dietary pattern not only nourishes the body but also incorporates the wisdom of traditional practices. By reevaluating crude drugs, we can find ways to enhance our nutritional intake while respecting the lessons of the past. Another critical aspect to consider is the environmental impact of sourcing crude drugs. As we grow more aware of sustainability, we must also consider how we harvest and utilize these natural resources. Ethical sourcing and sustainable practices are paramount. Overharvesting certain plants can lead to ecological imbalances, threatening biodiversity. Therefore, as we embrace crude drugs in our diets, we must also advocate for responsible consumption and support practices that protect our planet. Furthermore, the rise of herbal supplements has led to a burgeoning market, but it's crucial to approach this landscape with caution. The unregulated nature of this industry means that not all products on the shelves are of high quality. Consumers should seek out reputable brands that prioritize transparency and third-party testing. By doing so, we can ensure that we are reaping the benefits of crude drugs without exposing ourselves to harmful additives or contaminants. In conclusion, reevaluating the role of crude drugs in nutrition calls for a balanced perspective that acknowledges both their potential benefits and their risks. By embracing the wisdom of traditional practices while remaining informed and cautious, we can enrich our diets and enhance our health. Let us not dismiss the power of nature's bounty, but rather integrate it thoughtfully into our lives. As we navigate the complexities of nutrition, a holistic approach that honors both the past and the present will guide us toward a healthier future.